Welcome everyone to the April 2025 update from Moongate Antigua. Delighted to be standing in under the newly cast and stripped kitchen block, looking out onto the main restaurant footing, which will be cast on Thursday. This is essentially a concrete foundation which has a timber post and beam structure on top of it, which is the primary restaurant and joins the terraces to the swimming pools. We continue to do interior works in all 7 blocks, and doors and windows are going in, plumbing, electrics, finishings. All of the containers bar one are now in from Miami with all of the loose furniture, and all the doors and windows are now in from Italy. Immediately behind me is the foundation of the spa. Nearly 4,000 square feet of treatment rooms, gymnasiums, saunas, hot and cold pools, hairdresser and shop. In addition to all the exciting progress on site, Moongate was delighted to be involved in the CIS 2025 trade show and convention held here in Antigua and Barbuda, which was a gathering of all the 5 countries in the Eastern Caribbean that offer citizenship by investment. It was attended by the 4 Prime Ministers and the Attorney General of St. Kitts and Nevis, and is one end of a whole year and 6 months of meetings here in Antigua and Barbuda, starting with CIS 25 and ending with the Commonwealth Heads of Government next summer. So very important 18 months in Antigua and Barbuda, and a great opportunity for us to promote our destination and the region to the world. So until next month, everyone, take care, and I look forward to seeing you at the end of May.